How to set up a Life 360 account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Life 360. It is a location sharing app designed to help families and groups stay connected and informed about each other's whereabouts. It offers features like real-time location tracking, location history, and notifications when members arrive at or leave specific places. The app also provides safety tools such as crash detection, roadside assistance, and emergency alerts. It's often used by families to ensure safety and coordination, making it popular among parents and caregivers. So, if you want to open up an account on Life 360, just download the app from Play Store or Google Play Store or App Store. Then you'll be taken to this login portal. So go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now you'll just have to register your number. I'm just going to enter my number first. Now, once you have added your number, you'll just have to add your email and then tap on continue. So if this is your first time using the app, then you can just go ahead and enter this email, but I have already used this email to sign up for an account, so I'm just going to edit email. And after you have entered the email, you'll be asked to log into your account and enter your name and your details. Make sure to fill out all of those. Now, it will ask you to enter your password as well or create a password. And after that is done, tap on OK and you should be logged into your account. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next